सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू यूट्यूब चैनल द थ्री सीज। और जैसे सबने सबको पता है, टेस्ट सीरीज कब खत्म, रेड और पिंक बॉल आउट ऑफ द कॉन्टेक्स्ट, ब्रिंग ऑन द व्हाइट बॉल सीरीज, द टी20 एंड द ओडीआईज। सो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे टी20 सीरीज का पूरा प्रीव्यू देंगे, कौन कैसा हमें लगता है खेलेगा एंड कैसा सीरीज जाएगा, हु इज विनिंग एंड बाय हाउ मच। सो डिस्कस एवरीथिंग अबाउट द सीरीज एंड अगर आपने इस वीडियो को या हमारे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज जाके वो कीजिए पहले, एंड फिर हम कंटिन्यू करते हैं।
So, guys, as you know, the T20 series is coming up. So, how do you think the pitch will be curated by the Narendra Modi Stadium curators, and how will the pitch play throughout the series?
थ्रू आउट द सीरीज का तो भाई हम कुछ बता नहीं सकते, लेकिन लग रहा है, उम्मीद है, जैसे फोर्थ टेस्ट में थोड़ा ग्रीन पिच था, बिट ऑफ मॉइस्चर, तो पता है वाइट बॉल तो ज्यादा शाइनी और ग्लॉसी, तो स्किड करेगा, कम्स बेटर ऑन द बैट, good for stroke making, so expect a lot of runs, maybe 180 190 pitch, ज्यादा हो गया, 170 रख लेते हैं फॉर द फर्स्ट टू मैचेस एटलीस्ट। उसके बाद जैसे जैसे प्ले आउट होगा तो पिच और ड्राई आउट हो जाएगा, तो उसके बाद देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है, लेकिन फर्स्ट टी20 के लिए आई एक्सपेक्ट अ गुड पिच, इक्वल बोथ बैटिंग बॉलिंग।
The pitch that I expect is not going to be very much different from the fourth test, क्योंकि पता है कि इंडियन विकेट्स में थोड़ा स्पिन होगा, और इंडिया ने देखा कि एक्सप्लॉइट किया कि इंग्लैंड बैट्समैन आर नॉट वेरी गुड इन प्लेइंग स्पिनर, सो ऑफ कोर्स और नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम में स्पिनिंग विकेट ज्यादा होंगे। इट मे सीम फॉर अ बिट वाइल देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स, एनीवे ज्यादा पिच का ज्यादा मैटर नहीं करता है एक्चुअली टी20 में। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस। व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन अबाउट द पिच?
I think the pitch would be a typical T20 pitch, like not very much for the bowlers, but it will be for the batsmen, more favorable to the batsmen. मैं चाहूंगा मतलब एक, हाँ वही एक, as Parth said, 170 180 के अराउंड की पिच हो। T20 में पिच उतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता क्योंकि सब मारेंगे मारना सबको सब मारेंगे, तो yeah, that's my take on the pitch.
But I feel, नहीं, before moving on, I'll put a point. Win the toss, field first, because of the floodlight system on the stadium. They're both LEDs. Dew बहुत आएगा. It is expected in the night time. So win the toss, field first, according to me.
I will counter that. ड्यू कम आने का चांसेस है क्योंकि टेस्ट सीरीज में पिंक बॉल टेस्ट में ड्यू का अमाउंट कम था. इट वाज नॉट अ सिग्निफिकेंट अमाउंट ऑफ ड्यू. पर व्हाइट बॉल क्रिकेट है तो थोड़ा बहुत आएगा, बट इट वोंट बी टू मच. और उस दिन बोला गया था कि पिंक बॉल टेस्ट के दिन केमिकल्स वर यूज्ड ऑन द ग्रासेस सो दैट थोड़ा कम ड्यू आए. So let's see. I don't think ड्यू will be a major fact, but yeah, it will be a small factor. Now what do you think about the team? Because India has a very large squad, a very different squad, a lot of new people, new faces. Do you think all the people will get an opportunity? What is your prediction about the team to both of you?
So the squad that was put out by Indian team this time it's a very interesting squad. बहुत सारे न्यू प्लेयर्स हैं, बहुत सारे न्यू चेहरे दिख रहे हैं जो पिछले साल के लास्ट सीजन ऑफ IPL they performed very well. Like Varun Chakravarti has been announced in the squad, and my favorite Surya Kumar Yadav. I'm literally biased towards Surya Kumar Yadav because I think that he deserves a chance in the Indian team, and he's not getting the chance that he deserves. And also Rahul Tewatia has been announced, Ishan Kishan and T Natarajan, of course. So all the young players that performed well in the last IPL season, they have been put in the squad. That's a very good thing that I came across. And team जो होगी वो, for me it would be Varun Chakravarti will be there in the bowlers side. Varun Chakravarti will be there, Natarajan for me, and Rahul Tewatia. Yeah, and one from Deepak Chahar or Bhuvneshwar Kumar. That would be the bowlers.
And regarding the batting, because this is the first time for a long time that all the floor pace, Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, this Shikhar Dhawan and KL Rahul are going to play one match together. This is after a long time.
For batting, India's batting is phenomenal right now. If we see the squad, like रोहित शर्मा होगा, शिखर धवन, KL राहुल, विराट कोहली, हार्दिक पांड्या, ऋषभ पंत, या 6 बैट्समैन ऐसे सीधा।
तो किससे ओपनिंग कराओगे आप?
शिखर एंड रोहित, मेरे लिए शिखर एंड रोहित, एंड
और
KL Rahul 4 down because 3 at number 3 will be Virat Kohli. So KL Rahul 4th, number 4.
लेट मी पुट योर फैक्ट हियर. केएल राहुल और रोहित शर्मा का बैटिंग कॉम्बिनेशन में एवरेज है. The average is above 50. So
But
you're going to
still,
put
59
Shikhar Sharma.
around the 60s.
but still शिखर धवन को तो खिलाएंगे वो लोग. शिखर धवन खेलेगा, मेरे हिसाब से तो खेलेगा, और अगर शिखर खेला तो ही विल ओपन फॉर श्योर. और विराट कोहली नंबर 3 से नहीं हट रहा है, ये भी फॉर श्योर. तो फिर KL राहुल 4th.
And what about your team
See,
part?
देखते हैं, मतलब the major concern according to team which is concerned is that opening कौन करेगा, ठीक है. तो मेरे लिए तो I'll go straight away without any confusion, KL राहुल, रोहित शर्मा, ठीक है. क्या सूर्य कुमार यादव को खिलाना चाहिए, नहीं खिलाना चाहिए? I will play सूर्य कुमार यादव. So for me it will be Rohit, Rahul, then Virat Kohli, सूर्य कुमार यादव, ऋषभ पंत, हार्दिक पांड्या, वॉशिंगटन सुंदर एज ऑलराउंडर. बॉलिंग में तो नट्टू आएगा, भुवनेश्वर कुमार एज ही इज फिट एंड बैक. Expect Chahal to play, and maybe one between, I guess, Deepak Char, Navdeep Saini. Preferably Navdeep Saini because Deepak Char is a similar replacement of Bhuvi Kumar. So I think Navdeep Saini with
Why
he
not?
has some pace and
Why not
might work.
Shardul Thakur? Why not Shardul Thakur? He has a bit of batting ability. He will increase the
He
batting
has
depth of.
he has bit of a batting ability, no doubt, but I think with the power
A bit
cut
is
top
very
six.
an understatement. Sorry to disagree. A bit is an understatement regarding the match, the way he played in Australia. Sorry to say that.
Yeah, that is considered, but the thing is that ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रोहित शर्मा नहीं था T20 सीरीज का वक्त. अभी कंपेयर करेगा उस टीम के साथ, आई थिंक द टॉप सिक्स is best top six we can in the world which can get in the T20 league. So I think बैटिंग पे कुछ भी हो सकता है. मतलब देखो, अगर इंडिया 3-0 लीड कर रही है तो फिर फोर्थ के बाद बहुत चेंजेस देखने मिलेंगे. ईशान किशन कम्स इन, ऋषभ पंत आउट टू गिव यंगस्टर्स अपॉर्चुनिटी. तो चेंजेस तो हो सकते हैं डिपेंडिंग ऑन द फर्स्ट 3 मैचेस. अगर 2-1 है, माइट बी थिंकिंग शायद करे ना करे. 3-0 है, डेफिनेटली एक्सपेक्ट सम चेंजेस.
So as far as I am concerned, I will go with the team. I will go with the winning combination that has been for India for a long time. That is Rohit Sharma, Shikhar Dhawan. I'm not going to mess with them. Although in recent time, due to the injury of Shikhar Dhawan bahar बैठ है तो KL Rahul seized upon the opportunity. But still, I'll go with this opening partnership. Then of course the King Kohli. Then I'll go with Shreyas Iyer. Then Rishabh Pant. Then Hardik Pandya. Instead of Shreyas Iyer, it can also be Surya Kumar Yadav. Depends upon the call of the management. That is subject to their decision. Then I'll go with Akshar Patel also here because he's in the squad. He's coming after red hot form, so I will be liking to use it there. Then Washington Sundar, of course, that is the other spinner. Since and the other thing that I'm going to think is that if it is a spinning wicket, entirely spinning wicket, then I'll play 3 spinners and 2 paces. Otherwise, I'll go with 3 paces and 2 spinners. And
So
of
if
course,
it's a spinning wicket, who are your two fast?
I'll go with Bhuvi and Nattu. Otherwise, instead of Nattu, it depends upon Shardul Thakur. That is an
Bumrah
option.
is not there. You need a death
Yeah.
bowler. Best option is Nattu right over here because Bumrah
Yeah.
nahi.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It depends, Shardul. If you want to deepen the batting is already there. Hardik Pandya will of course be there to bowl 2-3 overs in the middle also.
हार्दिक
So we
पांड्या
are going with 5.
बहुत ज्यादा प्लेयर्स हो गए सही में.
What do you think about
आगे,
the
आगे.
number 1 T20 team? That is England. They are also having a lot of options. What do you think their playing 11 would be?
So yeah, David Malan will be definitely there in the playing 11. He's I guess the top T20 ranked player right now. Also, Owen Morgan will be their captain. Most probably for me, Owen Morgan will be their captain. And
He is the captain.
हाँ वही मतलब अभी
Who is the
मतलब
captain?
announced नहीं है ना.
Squad
Announced.
announced हो चुका है तो captain है.
Squad announced.
ठीक है. So yeah, in the bowling department, it will be Jofra Archer and Chris Jordan will be there, and Moeen Ali, of course, and Ben Stokes will be given some bowling, and Adil Rashid also, uh, and Sam Curran is also there. Sam Curran will play, so he's an all-rounder. He'll also be there in the bowling department. As far as the batting is concerned, their batting is also strong with Bairstow, Malan, Morgan, and Jason Roy also is there. So yeah, it's a good team. It will be a good team, strong opposition for the Indian team.
So I would just want to ask you a question. Who will be a wicket keeper in that team? Josh Butler, Bairstow, yeah, you will go with Sam Billings because you have all three options.
Yeah, for me it will be Butler or Bairstow, one of those. Maybe it will be Butler because Butler is a better wicket keeper and he has been keeping for England in the recent times. Bairstow has not kept for England in a long time. So seeing that, Butler will be my wicket keeper.
And what about you, Pat?
Yeah, so मतलब मेरे हिसाब से तो what I think is that Liam Livingston and Bairstow opening. Butler will play definitely for sure. Morgan, David Malams, they jump in the middle order. Expect David Malan to give some fireworks ताकि उसकी जो प्राइस वैल्यू बिकी है पंजाब किंग्स के साथ थोड़ा उसका वैल्यू और बढ़ जाए आईपीएल से पहले. और आदिल रशीद, क्रिस जॉर्डन definitely there. May one of the current brothers, maybe Tom or Sam, that depends on the management definitely. And would love to see Jofra Archer coming up with good 140 clicks per hour.
Tom Curran is in the squad. I doubt that.
Yeah, he's
He
there.
is there in the squad.
Now, for
And
me,
यशवंत, आपकी क्या टीम होगी इंग्लैंड की?
my team is going to be Malan will play, Butler will play, Morgan, so of course he's the captain, he will have to play. Stokes, Adil Rashid, Moeen Ali, Sam Curran, Chris Jordan, Ben Stokes, and what? Jofra Archer if he is available, Chris Jordan. That's it. It's similar team to that what you have chosen. Let's move ahead. It's been a long video today. What is your prediction? What do you expect after the end of five match series? Who will be standing tall?
I expect a 4-1 score in favor of India. 4-1. Yeah.
Okay. What about you, Pat?
Yeah, anything can happen. If India whitewashes England, then they move to top of the table in the T20 ranking. Team T20 ICC rankings, they move top of the table. So 5-0 for them if they have that in their mind. But thinking neutrally, expect 4-1. And expecting क्या बोलते हैं मतलब hitting power from Hardik Pandya after a long time.
And I also expect some fireworks from Shikhar Dhawan's bat because we are seeing him after a long gap of two test tours. So yeah, मैं चाहता हूँ कि भाई गब्बर वापस आ जाए और फिर सबको बस एकदम.
I will say that I expect a 3-2 because England is the number one. Let's be frank, England is number one T20 side in the world. It's going to be a bit difficult. And I do expect fireworks from both Hardik Pandya and Shikhar Dhawan. That's it.
Guys, that's a wrap for today's video and I hope you like the video. अगर पसंद आई तो like, share और subscribe कर देना और फिर हम आपसे मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में जल्दी. So till that, stay tuned and yeah, bye and thank you.
And let us know your comments, views in the comment section. What are
अबे
साले कभी
बोल यशवंत.
मेरे को बोलना है क्या?
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मुझे मारो नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है. एक सेकंड यार, मजाक हो रहा है. नहीं ये हम यहाँ पे क्या करने हैं?
अरे पता नहीं था मुझे. नहीं पता.
अरे Q&A आप ही करता हूँ भैया जी.
जरूरत नहीं है.
अरे जरूरत नहीं है. वाह मजा. हाँ तो so yeah guys, as you know the T20 series is coming up. So what are your thoughts on the pitch, on how will the pitch play and how will it be curated by the
Motera Stadium
curators?
It's not Motera Stadium. It's Narendra Modi Stadium.
अरे यार सेम है यार. ठीक है यार. अच्छा ठीक है. अरे हराम ज्यादा ये कहाँ से आया बे?
ये कहाँ से है? अब बुला वीडियो ऑन करो. रुक जा. यदु आ गया. रुक जा.
अरे
मेरे को क्यों नहीं दिख रहा?
अबे गेम खेल रहा है, चला गया गेम खेल रहा है साला।
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा।
रिकॉर्डिंग खराब करेगा हरामी।